Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document of these dimensions. First, go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select the image and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click on its layer and choose Rasterize Layer. Select the Rectangle Marquee tool. Make a selection of the outside area, hold the Shift button to add the selection. Go to the Edit menu, and Fill. Set the content Aware, and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D for deselect. Go to the Select menu, and Subject. Press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Turn off its visibility by clicking on this I button. Select the main image layer, right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Then go to the Filter menu and Filter Gallery. Select the glass filter, use these settings. Go to the Filter menu again, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Follow my settings. Finally, add noise to it. Go to the Adjustment layer, and add a black and white adjustment layer. Follow my settings. Go to the Rectangle tool and draw a long bar rectangle. Add fill color to black, and stroke to white. Drag it down to the image layer. Show the image, right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Add a layer mask to it. Press Ctrl+I to invert it. Select the Brush tool. Use these settings. Make sure the foreground color is white. And apply. Select the Line tool and draw a straight line. Press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Press Ctrl+T and rotate to make a plus sign. Select both, press Ctrl+E to merge them. Make a square using Rectangle tool and place it here. Now it's time to add text to the design. Follow my text settings. Finally, select the main text. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+J for a copy of it. Select the copy and hide the main text layer. Add Gaussian blur to it. Show the text layer and add a layer mask to it. Select the brush tool and apply. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.